Hello there, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of 3D printing in our video titled Introduction to 3D Printing, a Beginner's Guide. If you're new to the concept of 3D printing or just looking to expand your knowledge, you're in the right place. We'll take you through the basics, step by step. So, what exactly is 3D printing? Well, at its core, it's a revolutionary technology that allows you to turn digital designs into physical objects. It's like magic, but with science. A brief history of 3D printing. It was in 1984 when a process called stereolithography, SLA, was invented by a person named Charles Hull, who later went on to co-found the company 3D Systems. This printing process gave birth to the whole concept of 3D printing, as it enabled the production of a 3D object from a digital design. This allowed the creation of a 3D model from a picture or blueprint, before investments were made in large manufacturing processes by companies. The very first machine capable of creating 3D objects from computer design was produced by 3D Systems. The machine was named the Stereolithographic apparatus, as it utilized stereolithography as the process for printing 3D models. Since the development of this machine, rapid developments have occurred in the field of 3D printing. But how does it work? That's the question we're going to answer today. Imagine your 3D printer as a precision tool that follows instructions to create objects layer by layer. It's like building a skyscraper, but one tiny layer at a time. 3D printers use a variety of materials, from plastics to metals to even food and human tissues. The possibilities are endless. To get started in 3D printing, you'll need a design. Don't worry, you don't have to be an artist. There are plenty of user-friendly software programs available. Once you have your design, it's time to bring it to life. Load your 3D printer with the chosen material, hit print, and watch the magic unfold. The speed and complexity of your print will vary, but the end result is always exciting. But 3D printing isn't just about making cool stuff. It's changing industries like healthcare, aerospace, and education. We'll explore those topics in future videos. Before we wrap up, let's remember the most crucial aspect of 3D printing: creativity. The only limit is your imagination. Thank you for joining us on this introductory journey into the world of 3D printing. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting 3D printing content. Stay curious, keep exploring, and happy 3D printing!